Hello friends, the constant velocity joint of modern cars are designed for the entire life of the vehicle, but they often fail suddenly for the car owner and at the most inopportune moment. This happens both for reason of natural wears and tears of moving part and through the fault of motors. In most cases, likely another became the culprits of the problems during operating they become covered with crack and receive all kind of damage. Road dirt and sediments begin to get into the moving joint and act as an abrasive. After a few hundred a thousand kilometers with turn another of the CV joint wear out and start crackle, usually in corner, and then jam or loses them bearing rolls. The second reason for the breakdown of the CV joint is associated with inadequate driving or illiterate intervention in the design of the machine. When driving a civil car, it's worth remembering that it is not designed for long-term extreme load, sharp start with slippage, and systematic braking by the transmission. Start with innovate wheels in which in outer high hinges and partly climbed lead to extreme load on their elements. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.